Well, because of education matters, many schools are left reworking initial plans of restarting the school year because of a new directive from the Department of Education saying if students are attending school, they must be there all week long. However, Benton Schools are splitting up their attendance days in the early go of the new year. Jay Burt in Benton, he has more on this. Jay, how can they do this if that directive came out?
Yeah, as you mentioned, Bob, Jonny sending down that directive on Wednesday saying that if you have to allow for students to be in the building all week if that's the case. But Benton Schools not initially starting out that way, but only because it's temporary. The Benton School District will be splitting their student population in half for the first 2 weeks of the new year. Students with the last name A through M will be at school on Monday and Thursday. N through Z will be Tuesday and Friday. And Wednesday will be a cleaning day. When students are not in the building, it will be a virtual day.
2 weeks, that's our plan, is to ease kids in, make sure that we're keeping them healthy and safe. After the first 2 weeks of school, we'll reevaluate. Before that Labor Day holiday, we'll reevaluate and see where we're going from there.
The Department of Education is allowing this because it is only temporary.
But that first 2 weeks also allows us to teach them the things that are different, you know, and how to wear a mask and how to stay social distance and how to walk in the hallways and that sort of thing to try to keep their interaction and the virus spread to a minimum.
And junior high principal Chad Pitts says these first 2 weeks will be about more than just what classroom expectations are and when the first test is.
We're there with them. This is different for all of us, and we're all going to do the best we can.
Pitt says his school will be looking at what works and what does not intently those first 2 weeks, then we'll reevaluate the situation at the junior high.
There's a lot of things that are new because of the virus and that sort of thing, but at some point we're going to have to shift our focus from virus back onto learning.
Now, Bradley also does tell me if there is a household who have children and their siblings with 2 different last names, because there are some of those situations out there, they just say, just make those arrangements with the school and they can make those accommodations. And she also does say that schedules and class assignments should be coming out by the end of next week. Live from Benton High School, Jay Burt, KRK 4 News.